Can one lens rule them all? Sony Alpha 6700 plus 18 to 135mm exposed. Ever felt like your camera's autofocus ghosts you mid-action, leaving you with a blur of missed moments and a side of creative regret? That sinking frustration when gear promises the world but delivers pixelated letdowns. It's like dating a tease. If your shots feel more like suggestions and stories, you're not solo in this pixel purgatory. Ever felt like your tools are working against you? Drop an ID if this sounds familiar. Deadlines creeping like shadows, stress spiking from endless reshoots, and that burnout haze where every frame fight feels personal. Sound like your shoot schedule? It's the grind of chasing focus that never sticks, turning passion into pixelated penance. But imagine if there was a way to take control, without adding more chaos or clunky add-ons to your kit. Cue the Sony Alpha 6700 APS-C Interchangeable Lens Camera with 18 to 135mm zoom lens. Your sly sidekick for hybrid heroes, blending 26-megapixel Exmor R sensor wizardry with BIONZ XR speed to etch details so vivid they hum with life. All in a featherlight frame that whispers, "Adventure ready." Dive into AI-based subject recognition that locks onto birds in flight or kids mid-leap like it reads nines. Paired with 4K 60p oversampled glory for buttery video that dances across screens. Feel the grip's reassuring hug, the EVF's crisp glow pulling you into the frame like a velvet curtain rising. Blog-friendly flips and product showcase smarts shift focus seamlessly, turning solo setups into spotlight steals. Here's one way the Sony Alpha 6700 saved the day for a busy travel blogger, dodging monsoon downpours in Vietnam. Its weather-sealed body and 5-axis IBIS nailed sharp street scenes handheld, while the 18 to 135mm zoom captured everything from tuk-tuks to temples without a lens swap. That rush of nailing the shot, the subtle click of shutter syncing with your heartbeat, it's electric. Keep reading for the bonus trick at the end, because this isn't mere capturing. It's conjuring stories that stick, frame by hypnotic frame. The payoff hits like a slow-mo reveal. Razor-sharp efficiency letting you chase light instead of lag. Laser focus on fleeting magic with AI tracking that anticipates chaos. And performance so snappy it elevates everyday snaps to gallery whispers. Experts gush, it's a mini FX30 powerhouse. S-Log 3 and LUTs make pro grading a breeze, while one wildlife shooter marveled, bird eye AF, breathtaking eye-croft flight shots that had ghosted my old rig. Imagine the tactile thrill, vari-angle screen flipping smooth as a sly grin, 3-capsule mic catching breaths like secrets shared, evoking that sun-warmed lens flare on skin or the hush of a perfectly tracked pan. Influencers swear by it. A hybrid creator beamed. Seamless photo-to-video shifts. Skin tones glow without the guesswork. Analysts spotlight its market mischief. Sony blurs APS-C lines, hooking video-first rebels with 10-bit 422 at indie prices. Real users chime in. A wedding videographer laughed. Dish the gimbal. Active mode stabilization's my new bestie for dances that don't wobble. Objection handled. Yeah, it's APS-C, but that crop factor telephoto boost crushes full-frame bulk for travel wins. See why thousands can't stop talking about this? It's playfully rebellious. Why lug pro gear when pocketable genius delivers cinematic soul? Which feature would save your day? AI tracking or 4K 120p slow-mo? Comment below and let's geek out on gear that gets you. Because nothing rivals the hypnotic calm of a camera that evolves with your eye. Limited stock flash? Thousands of creators have already upgraded their game with the Sony Alpha 6700 kit, ditching doubt for dynamic dominance. If you're wrestling blurry regrets or vlog voids, this may change your game, one AI-locked frame at a time. Don't wait. Secure yours today and feel the shift to effortless epics. Comment yes if you want to unlock the secret Alep tip inside. Click now for an exclusive creative look preset that amps your style instantly. Don't just watch, jump in and transform your shots today.